Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Heritage Palm in Fort Myers, and I can tell you this community, it's beautiful. It has two 18 golf courses and it has a lot of amenities. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting on the link below, a link directly to the website of the community so you can see everything that this community has to offer. So now let's go ahead and start this tour. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this property. It's located at the Villas at Pineview. It's a little neighborhood inside Heritage Palm. And you can see it's a beautiful villa. It has a double car garage. Let me tell you a little more. It has 2 bedrooms. It has 10, but you can make that into a bonus room, or maybe later on you could add it into a room. So you can see you have a beautiful porch here, all screened. So in the morning you can come out here and just have your coffee. Sitting down out here, check out, there's plenty of space for 2. Let's go ahead inside and take a look at this beautiful villa now. As you are coming in, you have your living room all the way at the end. Over here to my left, you have their dining room. And one thing I would like to let you guys know is that this home is turnkey. So most of everything that is inside stays. It sells with the property. Only some items that have some coupons on them that the owner placed, those are the items that she's taking. But most of everything is staying, like everything inside the kitchen drawers, everything stays. So it's turnkey. So if you're thinking about buying it, you don't have to worry about furniture or buying anything right now, because you just bring your toothbrush and come in. As you can see, it has stainless steel appliances. A beautiful kitchen with granite countertops. Over here you have your pantry. Then this door over here leads you to your laundry room. And over here you got your double car garage, as you can see, very spacious. And you also have a central vacuum system. Over here you got your AC inside the garage on the top there, and over here you have your water heater. Okay, now let's continue and walk around the whole home. Over here again you got your dining room. Check out the nice entrance, the view from the back of the door. I like that it has a lot of glass, so it makes it a lot brighter inside. And I got this break front here. Over here, this is that room that I was telling you about. This could be a den, or you can make it into a bonus room. You can make it in TV room, or even you can close it up and make it into a room, because actually maybe in, you know, where the sofa is, you can make a closet there. So it's up to you, but it's, you know, you could use it right now as a bonus room or a den. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at this living room. Check how spacious it is. And over here you got your granite countertop counter. And let me give you a view from this angle. So you can see, very spacious. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the guest bathroom. You can see beautiful granite countertop. You got the nice brand new doors. You know, that's a really remodeled bathroom. They actually did all that, the owners. Over here you have a very nice size bedroom. As you can see, let me stand on this corner so you can see the size. Check it out. And like I said at the beginning, all the furniture stays, so you just have to bring your toothbrush. Okay, let's take another look here at the living room. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom, and then we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you the lanai outside. It's very nice, It's very spacious. And I'll go out and show you the golf course, because the golf course is behind this villa. So over here, this is the master bedroom. Check out the floor. I forgot to show you on the floor in the other bedrooms. They both have this floor. Very beautiful. Check out the nice window. If you like the country club living, this community here offers you everything you can think of. Like I said at the beginning, if you would like to see what this community has to offer, I'm going to be putting the link on the description below. That it has a website that tells you all the amenities that this community offers, and I can tell you it's a lot. A lot of people love this community, so you'll see what I mean when you look at that website. So here's the master bathroom. Over here you got your toilet closet. And over here you got your big closet here. You also have that slider there on the right that takes you out to the lanai area. Let's take one more look at this room from this side. Now let's go outside and check out the lanai outside. It's really nice. Check this out. You have all this here, okay, and then you have a roll-on shutter that you could bring it down if you're like, you know, not living here all the time. You could just close that shutter, so it gives you a little bit more privacy and protection of the home. And also I want to tell you that this roof has been replaced in 2020. The AC was replaced also in 2020, and last year the whole unit was painted from on the outside. So very clean, very nice, and a lot of things you don't have to worry about. And over here, that's your hookup if you would like to put a spa. Okay, you can hook it up to that. So it's ready for you just to come in and bring your toothbrush. Okay, now let's go outside and take a look at what it looks from the outside, and also we'll walk over to the golf course that is right over there. So first, let's take a look here. So behind the screen lanai, you have this little yard over here. As you can see, this community, you know, landscape is just amazing. And now let's just walk over here. We'll walk up to the golf course. Check how beautiful this is. Okay, remember this has two 18-hole golf course. So, and if you want like more information about everything that this community offers, go to the description below and click on their website. And I mean, it has a lot of amenities, so you're not gonna get bored here. So I hope that you guys are enjoying this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, just please give me the like. That really helps my algorithm with YouTube, so it gets to this video to more people. Okay, so if you have any questions on this property, you would like to know the price, just go and scan the barcode on the screen or go in the description below. My wife and I have been selling real estate here in Southwest Florida for over 20 years. If you have any questions about this area, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. If you would like to see more amazing homes, just simply click here so you can see more of our tours. Thank you for watching.